Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you our colorful adventure today.
Hello, young artists. Red is for when we feel excited or brave, and blue is for when we're calm or a little sad. Yellow is for happy times, and green is when we feel peaceful. Purple is for when we're feeling super-duper creative, and black is for those times we might feel a bit scared.
I'm gonna use yellow and red because I'm feeling so happy and excited. My friend is using purple swirls because she's feeling really creative today. And look at all the colors our other friend is using. He's feeling lots of different things.
That's right. Every feeling is important, even the messy ones.
It's like we're emotion explorers, or maybe color commanders. That sounds cool, doesn't it? Wow, look at all the amazing art we made today. Thanks for joining our colorful adventure today, friends. If you had fun painting with us, give us a big, big, big colorful thumbs up. Bye-bye, Color Commanders!